Okay, it's problem solving about volume and capacity. Um, Jack has a small pool in his backyard full of water, 400,000 cube centimeter. He wants to empty it by a rectangular prism container, dimension 20 centimeter wide, 40 centimeter long, and 20 centimeter high. How much water the container hold when it's full? Okay, in fact we want to know the capacity of the container. It's a regular shape and it's a rectangular prism, so we know how to calculate it. It's length times width times height. So 40 times 20 times 20. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 4 is 16, and 3 zeros. So 16,000 cube centimeter is the capacity of the container. Container can hold this amount of water when it's full. How many times Jack has to remove water by container to empty the pool? Okay. The capacity of the pool is 400,000 cube centimeter, and the capacity of the container is 16,000. So we have to divide 400,000 by 16,000 to find the answer. 400,000 divided by 16,000. So this is equal as this. 3 zeros we can delete. So it's 400 divided by 16. 400 divided by 16. 40 divided by 16 is 2. 2 times 32. 8 remaining, 1 digit down, 0 is down. 80 divided by 16 is 5. 5 times 6 is 0. 30. 5 times 5 and 3, 8. Yes, 25. So he has to use his container 25 times, be able to empty the pool. How much water is in the pool after removing water 12 times by container? Okay, he used 12 times by container. Take the water out. We want to know how much is remaining in the pool. First, we have to find out how much water he took out by using the container 12 times. Each time, 16,000 centimeter cube. So for 12 times, 16,000 times 12 is the amount that he can take out. So 16,000 times 12. I do this way, 16 times 12, then I added the zeros. 2 times 6, 12, 2 and 1, 3, 1, 16, 16, 2, 9, 1, and 3 zeros. So 192,000, 192,000 centimeter cube is the volume of water took out by using the container 12 times. So how much is remain in the pool? Easy. 400,000 minus 192,000. So 400,000 minus 192. 0, 0, 0. 0 minus 2 not possible. It's 10 it's 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 9 is 0. 3 minus 1 is 2. So 208,000 centimeter cube is the answer. Is the remaining of water in the pool after using container to take out water 12 times. Next, how many times he has to use container to empty the pool? Okay, the pool capacity is 400,000 and the capacity of the container is the half of the, to empty the pool in half. Yes, to empty the pool in half, because we had that question up there. How many times he has to use container to empty the pool in half? Okay, first we have to find out what's the volume of the pool, half of the pool. So 400,000 divided by 2, which is 200,000. Now, how many times use the container to take 200,000? So 200,000 divided by 16,000, the capacity of the container. So 200,000 divided by 16,000 is equal as 200 divided by 16. This equal as this. So 200 divided by 16. 20 divided by 16, 1. 4, 1 digit down. 40 divided by 2, 32. Remaining is 8. We continue. Add a 0. 80 divided by 16 is 5. Remaining is 0. We add a 0. We put a decimal. So 12.5 times we have to use the container to empty the half of the pool. And we can find this in another way. We found up there that if we use container 25 times, we can empty the pool, the hole. So the short way is because this time we want to know how many times we have to use the container to empty half of the pool, so we can do this 25 divided by 2, which is 12.5 times. So it's the shortcut. To use the container takes about 2 minutes each time. How long to empty the pool? Okay, it's easy. We have to use 25 times to empty the pool. We got it up there, 25 times. Each time takes 2 minutes. So 25 times 2 is 50 minutes is the time that he needs to empty the pool. Another question. Sue puts 9 equal size watermelon in a tank full of water, and 18,000 centimeter cube water overflows. What's the volume of each melon? So I just want to say that the amount of water that overflows is the volume of the 9 watermelons. So 18,000 centimeter cube of water is the volume of 9 watermelon. So to find out the volume of each one, because they are all, as it said, they have equal size, so 18,000 divided by 9, which is 2,000 centimeter cube, is the volume of each watermelon. I hope it's helpful.